For professionals seeking top-tier equipment, Festool stands as the preferred choice among craftsmen worldwide. Their cutting-edge technology and superior build quality ensure each project is completed with unmatched accuracy. In this guide, we're exploring 10 exceptional Festool tools that will revolutionize your workflow. From surface preparation to precision cutting, these instruments maximize productivity and precision. Discover how Festool can elevate your craftsmanship to new levels. The Festool CMS Router Table brings precision and efficiency straight to your workspace. Imagine the accuracy of a table saw's sliding table, but on a router table. Effortless, friction-free cuts that ensure clean, secure results every time. It's not just the slider, though. The CMS offers features that elevate the game, like a dust collection system that's unparalleled, gathering debris from both above and below. The innovative bearing-guided routing arm adds an extra layer of safety, making pattern routing smoother than ever. Vibration is practically non-existent, keeping your work steady and comfortable. This table isn't just functional, it's a game changer for any serious woodworker. If you're looking to take your work setup to the next level, the Festool SYS MFT Tabletop Systainer is a game changer. This ultra-portable work surface is designed to make every project more efficient, providing 13 clamping points and an integrated V-groove for securing round stock like dowels and pipes. With a durable design that supports up to 110 pounds, it's perfect for handling tough jobs while keeping your workpiece stable. What sets the SYS apart is its incredible versatility. It doubles as storage for your essential tools and integrates seamlessly with both T-lock and classic Systainers. Plus, the non-skid strip ensures everything stays in place, even under pressure. Whether you're working on site or in the workshop, the SYS MFT delivers unmatched convenience, portability, and performance. For precision and efficiency in your machining tasks, the Festool SYS MFT FX clamping set is a must-have tool for any serious woodworker. This exclusive limited set is engineered to enhance material stability and security when paired with a Festool MFT or any grid hole work surface. It features 2 ratchet-action quick clamps for firm, reliable grip, and a versatile clamping element set, including soft-sided broad dogs and locking levers. Also included are 2 new adjustable low-profile fences and 4 small surface dogs, all neatly housed in a Systainer SYS-1 T-lock. The integration with Festool Systainers ensures secure storage and easy transport, keeping your workspace organized and your tools protected. Whether you need precision or quick adjustments, this clamping set integrates seamlessly with Festool's system, giving you greater control and improving your results on any project. Struggling to keep your tools organized on the job? The Festool SYS Toolbox is here to solve that problem. Its open-face design puts your most used tools and accessories within reach, cutting down on time spent searching. Seamlessly compatible with both T-lock and classic Systainers, it securely latches on top, integrating into your Festool system. Perfect for anyone looking to save time and streamline their workspace, the SYS Toolbox is your go-to solution for better organization, making your job more efficient and hassle-free. Transporting tools can be a hassle, but the Festool SYS Roll Dolly makes it a breeze. With large 7 7/8 inch casters and integrated stair-climbing strips, this dolly can handle any terrain. It carries up to 220 pounds of tools, while its 11-pound drawer keeps small parts organized. The non-marring wheels protect your floors, and an adjustable strap secures your gear even on rough surfaces. Whether you're rolling across the job site or up a flight of stairs, the SYS Roll is built to make tool transportation effortless.
Transform your workday with the Festool SYS Job Site Radio, a compact powerhouse delivering surprisingly big sound from its tiny 6-inch frame. Weighing under 2 pounds, this feature-rich speaker is packed with FM radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calling, and aux-in capabilities. Whether you're corded or cordless, the SYS adapts to your needs. Its dynamic sound processor ensures full, natural sound with deep bass and zero distortion, no matter the volume. The built-in microphone allows for seamless hands-free calls, making it perfect for extreme work conditions where clear communication and great music are essential. For unbeatable sound quality and versatility in a rugged portable package, the Festool SYS Rock Job Site Radio is your ultimate work companion. Elevate your workspace with the Festool CTC cordless dust extractors, the ultimate solution for hassle-free cleanup and powerful suction. These compact battery-powered extractors offer unparalleled mobility and efficiency, perfect for both job sites and workshops. Equipped with advanced filtration and high-performance suction, they capture dust and debris with remarkable precision, keeping your environment clean and healthy. The intuitive controls and long-lasting batteries ensure uninterrupted operation, while the rugged design withstands tough conditions. With features like a built-in Bluetooth connection for remote control and integrated storage for accessories, the CTC cordless dust extractors combine cutting-edge technology with convenience. Say goodbye to cords and hello to a cleaner, more efficient workspace with Festool's innovative dust extractors.
When it comes to cutting-edge performance in woodworking, the Festool TSC 55 is a game-changer. This top-class scoring system shines with its array of accessories, including a kickback stop that can be deactivated for precision cuts and safety. The kickback stop significantly reduces injury risks, making every cut smoother and more controlled with concentrated torque. This tool delivers up to twice the work progress and extends saw blade life, enhancing efficiency. Plus, it ensures a low dust work environment thanks to its dust collection bag or Bluetooth-enabled extractor, keeping your workspace clean and safe. Whether you're working in the field or the shop, the TSC 55 is your go-to solution for fast, precise, and dust-free cutting. The Festool SysLite LED work lamp Cal 100 ensures you never work in the dark again. With a wide 170-degree light dispersion, this compact powerhouse illuminates even the tightest spaces. Featuring 6 high-efficiency LEDs, it delivers consistent brightness for up to 4 hours on a single charge. The SysLite is adaptable, running on its internal battery or via wall and car chargers, and can be powered by a compatible Festool battery. Plus, it's rugged enough to withstand the toughest conditions with a shock-resistant body and nearly indestructible bulbs. For those needing dependable, bright illumination in any environment, the SysLite LED work lamp is a must-have tool that combines durability, versatility, and exceptional lighting performance. When it comes to flawless joinery, the Festool domino tenons redefine excellence. Unlike traditional dowels that allow rotation or biscuits that suffer from lateral movement, domino tenons provide a rock-solid solution with unparalleled stability. Their unique oblong shape ensures maximum glue surface, preventing rotation and offering a robust alternative to biscuits. With various sizes available, these tenons are far superior in strength and efficiency. The domino system speeds up the mortising process, making it a breeze compared to time-consuming traditional methods. Additionally, the machine ribs facilitate optimal glue flow through the joint. For speed, accuracy, and strength, the domino system truly stands apart from other joinery methods.
And there you have it, 10 Festool tools that will make your work easier.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.